Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to do the annotation on the video clips that you have uploaded on YouTube using our 6kindness 2012 account. So the username is 6ki2012 and the password is gmsp2012. Okay, so we'll all use the same account for this. Okay, so when you go in, basically you are going to be looking for your friends, your group members' videos. So go to Video Manager. Okay, when you go to Video Manager, let's say I would like to comment on my group member's Glenn's screencast. Remember to look for the correct problem sum. Okay, then I will click on his video.
Box A contains pencils and erasers in the ratio of 8:1. Bag B contains pencils and erasers in the ratio of 2:1.
All you need to do is to click on the button here that says Annotations.
Box A contains pencils and
when you want to
erasers
add in
in the
a
ratio of
particular
8:1.
annotation,
Bag B contains
when you want to add in a particular annotation, all you need to do is click Add Annotation here on the right. Alright, so let's listen in on Glenn's problem solving first.
Pencils and erasers in the ratio of 2:1. Bag B has twice as many pencils as bag A. Find the ratio of the numbers of pencils in bag A to the number of pencils in bag B.
So if I want to say something about the way he has highlighted, okay, so I can choose to highlight, to add a type of annotation, whether it's speech bubble, note, title. Okay, so let's say I want to add a speech bubble. Okay, I click on speech bubble. So the speech bubble comes up and I say, you underlined the key words and numbers. Keep it up. Okay, so let's say I want to say something about his C. This is C, right? So let's see. Okay, so I'm commenting on the first component of problem solving, which is C. Okay, so if I would like it to, I will drag it to wherever I like. I want it to be. I want it to appear. All right. So okay, here. So this is what I'm going to say. All right, and this is going to appear at 20 seconds into the video. Alright, so if I want it to be around for longer, alright, I want it to appear like at the beginning, I can drag my speech bubble. Okay, drag the red lines. So now I want it to start here instead and stay there for about a good 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, so let's see what happens here. I'm going to show you how it looks like now. Okay, we start again now. So look like this.
A contains pencils and erasers in the ratio of 8:1. Bag B contains pencils and erasers in the ratio of 2:1. Bag B has twice as many pencils as bag A. Find the ratio of the numbers of pencils in bag A to the number of pencils in bag B. Give your answers in simplest form. So we will use ratio to solve this question. So I will first put all the information I have. For pencils, I know there is 8 units, and eraser there is 1 unit. The total would be 9.
So in this case, now I can actually carry on giving comments, okay, as I listen. I'm going to fast forward it a bit because I know exactly what I want to comment on after having watched it once or twice. So I'm going to fast forward a bit. Here it is. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let's listen in again.
2 for erasers and 6 for the total. So now we would check, as the third statement says that bag B has twice as many pencils as bag A. So we would check if the pencils in bag B times 2, we will get 8. That means we are on the right track.
So that's where Glenn made a mistake, right? And I want to tell him because it says that bag B must have twice as many pencils as bag A. So if bag A has 8 units to represent pencils, bag B must have twice as many. But he actually flipped it around. So if I would like to make a comment, then basically I will add an annotation again. Another speech bubble or note, it's up to you. Okay, so I want to put a note in, and I will tell him that if please check if the number of units representing pencils in B is really twice that of A. So then I would put it here so that he's aware. Okay, I can also make it smaller. I can change the size. Alright, and I'm going to put it here. Okay, so I would like it to appear slightly before. Alright, so let me see where I want it to appear. I think it's about here after he's done with 6. So I would move it back a bit to 2 minutes. Here, so I drag it out like this. Okay, let us continue with the video.
8. That means we are on the right track. So now we would just put in the ratio.
Okay, so now if I want to comment on his final answer, I'm going to fast forward again.
We are not done. We still have to convert it into simplest form, which is 1:2.
Okay, so now I want to comment on his final answer as well, the accuracy of his answers. I'm going to add an annotation, and maybe I want to do a spotlight. Okay, so I'm going to say, good reminder to simplify, but I am afraid you simplified incorrectly. Okay, so I want to move this over here. Oh, where did it go? Okay. Okay, now I want to spotlight this. So I select like this. This is to tell me that I'm spotlighting this area. Okay, and then let's put it out for a while. Drag it. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's play.
Will be 8, but do not forget we are not done. We still have to convert it into simplest form, which is 1:2. So now,
okay, so I've made 3 comments on his working. So now that I'm done, I will click on save. Or no, actually if I'm done, I'll click on publish. But if you'd like to check your own feedback, you can just click on save first and then play back. Okay, then after that, remember to publish. Okay, so once you've published, right, you will be able to when you go back to the video, you will be able to see your entire comments being made on the video clip itself. Let's take a look. View on video page.
ratio of 8:1. Bag B contains pencils in the ratio of 2 is to 1. Bag B has twice as many pencils as bag A. Find the ratio of the numbers of pencils in bag A to the number of pencils in bag B. Give your answers in simplest form. So we will use ratio to